Ready to transform your static Wix website from boring to brilliant by adding a sleek, real-time digital clock. First, log into your Wix account and open the website editor for the site you want to customize. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a plus icon. Click it to open the Add Elements panel. Scroll down until you find Embed Code. Clicking this expands the embed options. We're going to pick Embed HTML iframe. Drag this onto the section of your website where you want your clock to display. Once the HTML iframe is in place, click on the Enter Code button that appears over the box. Now this is where the magic happens here. You'll paste a snippet of code that generates a real-time clock. Make sure your code is accurate. Then click Update to apply it. Great! Once you hit Update, the digital clock should appear within the iframe on your Wix website. You can now adjust the size and position of the clock by simply dragging the corners of the iframe, making sure it fits perfectly within your design. Alternatively, if coding isn't your thing, head back to the Add Elements panel and this time, search for clock in the Wix App Market. Several clock apps are available to choose from. Browse through them, read the reviews, and select one that fits your style and requirements. Once you've chosen an app, click Add to Site, and follow the on-screen instructions to install and configure the clock. And there you have it. Whether you chose the code option or the app, your Wix website now has a functional and stylish digital clock, keeping your visitors on time and engaged. Don't forget to publish your changes to make it live.